Hello to my pixie friends and my silver sisters. If you are brand new to my channel, welcome. My name is Carrie-Jessica. Normally I am fumbling through learning how to style this new pixie, talking about hair care in general, but sometimes I open things I've spent too much money on. Whoa. And that's what we're doing today. Ooh. If you're not familiar, FabFitFun is a seasonal subscription box in which you can add things on. And this is the winter FabFitFun box. Winter is probably my second favorite to the fall subscription of FabFitFun. And I did a lot of add-ons. You can do add-ons every season and you can get really great discounts on things that don't go on sale very often. Products like the skincare brand Sunday Riley, which very rarely go on sale, you can get through these subscription boxes at a very discounted rate. So let's get in to see what I have. Okay, I moved a table over here to put this on. I don't remember which of these things I purchased as add-ons. I don't remember which things I selected for my box and what things are surprises. If I remember as I go, I'll let you know. The very first thing is from Summer and Rose, and this is a faux fur bath mat. It's a really pretty like cream off-white color. I'm gonna go ahead and open it just to see how big it is. Okay, so this is actually really large. This is a good size. It is very, very soft. This might end up as a gift. This might end up in my bathroom. Let's be real. Next up, total bummer. Living Proof, the Restore Conditioner and the Repair Leave-In. These, not one but both, were open and have spilled everywhere. So these won't be a gift. Darn it. The Ahava Essential Day Moisturizer. This is a brand that I am very familiar with their skincare, and one of my kids particularly really likes it. So I don't know where to put things. And as I mentioned, Sunday Riley, this is the A+ high dose retinoid treatment. I absolutely love this. I do think that there are cheaper options for sure than Sunday Riley. Sunday Riley is a pretty high-end skincare brand. I mean, I'm sure that there's more expensive, but it's pretty expensive. Next up is one of these wireless discs that you use to charge your phone. I absolutely love these. We have them all throughout the house. Super handy. Okay, so in this, all of the things that I just showed you were things that I added in addition to my box. So if you got the box without all of the additional add-ons that I purchased, this is what it will look like. Oh, and also floating around at the bottom of the box is the Living Proof Restore shampoo. This one is not opened. So the inside of my box, this is a pretty decent size box, I have to say. So let's get in and see what's in it. When I very first started my FabFitFun subscription, I was really disappointed because I felt like the boxes were huge, but they were never full of stuff. Whereas all of a sudden, I feel like it's full of stuff. This is the magazine that you get with it. It goes over all of the products. This is one item that I do remember selecting that I wanted in my box. This is a small blanket. It is a somewhat silver color. It is called the Fluffy, Furry, Friendly, Fresh Faux Blanket. I am gonna open it from this plastic just so that I can feel it. Ooh. This is really soft and would make an excellent gift for someone. And these are cute. They're 3 animal print scrunchies. This will be a nice addition to a gift for someone. An absolutely adorable burgundy headband. This will also make a wonderful gift. Oh, there's a Kind bar and I'm super hungry. I ate it so fast that I didn't even read the label. This is a Kind Thins bar. which I'm pretty sure is only speaking in relation to the size of the bar. It's not going to make me thin. This is a dark chocolate nut and sea salt, and it is absolutely delicious. It tastes like dark chocolate, sea salt, and nut. That took a really long time to chew, but that was so delicious. Next up, this is from Whish, W-H-I-S-H. This is a vanilla bean lip scrub. I will be keeping this because my lips need all the help they can get, especially in the winter when the heat is on. So this will be going into my own stocking. This is from London Town. It is a Get Well nail recovery. I do have one of my kids who is really putting a lot of effort and time into regrowing their nails after being a nail biter for quite some long time. So this will probably find its way to them. So this will probably find its way to them. This is the original Muck Lux. Why is that so hard to say? Muck Lux? This is the original Muck Lux Wear Your Way of Life slippers. These are in dark gray. Oh, this next thing is something that I selected for my selection. This is one I chose to have in my box because I am in desperate need of a mirror. This is a touch light LED mirror, and I really need this. I kind of wanted to see how big it is. It's as big as my face. This I thought was really cool. I selected this to be in my box as well. These are cutting boards. They're a set of 4 and they're really bendable and thin. Okay, you guys, that was everything in my FabFitFun box. And usually in this magazine that you get with it, you can go through and find like the things that you got, what the value of them are, and you can also see things that other people got, which is good because I'm nosy. So the first thing is the marshmallow blanket. That's that silver fluffy faux. So the first up that's priced is this fluffy blanket that I have. This is the Unhide Little Marshmallow Blanket. It's Stay Cozy All Winter with a soft faux chinchilla blanket. This is a $65 blanket. The mirror vanity that I have that's LED that I'm keeping for myself, that was a $45 mirror. The Muck Lux cabin socks, those are, oh, they're Sherpa lined. They are $25. The cutting board set of 4, that's $20. So I didn't get this in mine, but a product that I absolutely love, some people did get, that is from DPQ. It's the apple cider vinegar shampoo. Oh, this is a shampoo powder. I've not used the powder. And the leopard ombre scrunchies, those were $25. So clearly I have well made up the value of my box already. I didn't see the prices for all of the things like I normally do, like the headband, that I didn't see the price for. As well as the charging disc. I don't think I saw the price for that. But anyway, absolutely loved my winter fall absolutely loved my winter, not fall, FabFitFun box. There will be lots of things that will make great gifts for myself as well as others. If you are interested in signing up for FabFitFun, I will put a link down below. I'm not a partner with them, so if you signed up with my link, I think I might get like a 99-cent credit to something. I don't really even know how all of that works, but I will put a link down below. So thank you so much for hanging out with me. That is all from me. I usually post videos on Tuesdays and Thursdays. Let's face it, the holidays schedule, like things are going to be a little wonky, but if you would like to hang out with me outside of then, you can always find me on Instagram. That is where I am super active. You can find me on Facebook. I'm also on Pinterest. Oh, you can find me on TikTok, and I am on Twitter. It's ridiculous, I know. I pretty much just use it to look at bachelorette things. I will put the links to those other social media accounts down below. If you haven't yet, hit the subscribe button and the bell for notifications when I create new content. Give this video a like and leave a comment. Those things actually really help my channel and I greatly appreciate them. And that's all. And I've rambled enough, so I will see you again soon. Bye.